Hello, welcome to another studio vlog featuring new camera and face. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna shoot. I don't know what I'm gonna shoot, but I'm planning to do a shop opening preparation type thing this week, so here's hoping that turns out. So I upgraded somewhat to a smaller, more compact camera, because before I was using this big clunky thing to shoot videos, and hopefully this makes it easier to record things and do more art stuff. That's Tim. Hi Tim. Wait, how do I pet you?
Hello.
Yep, cool. So today's agenda is to hopefully make more clay pins and keychains, because I received a bunch of key rings and I don't know what you call these, eye pin thingies? Yes, eye pin thingies from online. I ordered them last week and they came pretty quickly, which is good. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make as much as I can today and maybe work on making some thank you cards for my online shop. Down in the kitchen now because I'm gonna bake a little goodie. Hi Penny, trying to be in the video? Okay, here's Penny. So I made a couple clay pins. I haven't made as many as I thought I would today. It's been a bit slow, but we're getting there. But in the meantime, we're gonna make some peach cobbler. Isn't that right, Penny? We're gonna make some goodies? Yeah? He's gonna eat it all. So, I was working on these yesterday and I finished baking all of them last night. If it'll focus. Guess not. So I plan to make some of these into keychains and some of them into pins. These ones here I want to make into earrings, but I don't have the like the earring bits, I guess, to do so just yet. So I will paint them and glaze them, but I'll just leave them to the side until I can get all the beads and findings and stuff. But today I'm going to work on painting and glazing these so that I can take pictures to upload them onto my shop, and also work on some freebies like thank you cards, and if I'm feeling ambitious, maybe trying to design some stickers, but we'll see. I have my little shop assistant accompanying me today. Hi Penny. Hi Papa. So I've done this much so far. I've been slower than I expected today, but I plan to finish these tonight, and hopefully I might be able to sketch some designs for the thank you cards. Yeah, I was planning to do a shop update next week, but I think that might be a bit ambitious, so we might be looking at the week after, but we'll see how we go. Look what's come in the mail! I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. So, I got this package from Noissue. They recently contacted me to ask if I wanted to design my own wrapping paper, which I found super exciting because I was already looking into them since I wanted to have my own like unique packaging with my Etsy orders. So it was great to be given the chance to try this out. And the reason I was looking into them was because it seemed like they made wrapping paper and like packaging quite accessible to artists and small businesses, and on top of that they're very sustainable. I can't open this. They're very sustainable, which is always a big plus. And yeah, and like you would have seen in my previous vlog, I was fiddling around with designing wrapping paper, and it was with their website, which I found super easy to Penny's making a mess, which I found super easy to use as well. Like, the only difficulty I actually had was me fiddling with Illustrator when it came to vectorizing, but that's just because that's a learning curve that I have to go through. But other than that, their website was like super easy to like upload my design and choose what colors I wanted my wrapping paper to be, and everything was like, I don't know, yeah, everything was clear and like easy to use. But yeah, I'm gonna try to open this. I hope I haven't pierced into anything. So here's my design. I tried to keep it a bit simple and similar to my business card with the leaves, but that came out so nice, and the colors are lovely. It's like I'm very happy with the color. That's awesome. Oh, I'm in love. So it's late at night, but I have mostly finished painting all of my clay friends. I just need to paint like faces and stuff on them. But I thought I might end the video here. I am going to have a shop update soon, I think in the next 2 weeks or so, and I'll have the details either in the description or in this video somewhere. I'm planning to have these guys up along with stickers maybe, so we'll have to see. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys all later. Bye.